Hello, my name is Philippa Saunders, and I am the Professor of Reproductive Steroids at the University of Edinburgh. Together with Professor Andrew Horn, I co-direct the research activities of the EXPECT team. Our multidisciplinary group of discovery scientists, clinical researchers, research nurses and clinical trials experts are working together to develop new and effective medical treatments for individuals suffering from the debilitating symptoms associated with endometriosis and chronic pelvic pain. I have been a biomedical researcher in the field of women's health for more than 30 years, and endometriosis is one of the most challenging conditions I have studied. Working together with the EXPECT multidisciplinary team has energised my research effort and has also ensured that the work done in my laboratory is directly relevant to the research priorities identified by our patients and the people responsible for their care. Now is an exciting time in endometriosis research in Edinburgh, as we are able to capitalise on the unique insights that we have gained by studying the samples that patients have donated to our research, and apply these to developing new therapies. To support the translation of this new knowledge, we have also developed a mouse model of endometriosis that mimics the symptoms experienced by patients. A key focus of the research we have conducted over the last 10 years has been the hunt for better ways to treat endometriosis-associated symptoms that won't stop women becoming pregnant if they wish to have a family. To address this problem and avoid the high cost and long delays in developing new drugs, one of the strategies we have adopted is drug repurposing. Basically, this involves using the knowledge gained from the laboratory to search for drugs already approved for treatment of other diseases that have some similarities to endometriosis or are able to target processes we have identified as altered in our patients' samples. An example of a drug we have identified for repurposing is called DCA. In a laboratory study, we showed DCA had a beneficial effect on cells from women with endometriosis. And when we treated our mice with DCA, they developed a less severe form of endometriosis. This is just one positive example of how the discovery work carried out in the EXPECT laboratory can play a critical role in our research efforts. And I'm very pleased to say DCA is now being used in Edinburgh in a clinical trial, the results of which are eagerly awaited.